Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today I'm talk about you. Uh, I went, I went to, I went to cafe because I filled out my CTET form because 10 June is the last date the CTET forms, and after 6 September the started 6 September I will give this exam seated exams. Yes guys, and today now my daily routine. Yes, I woke up 5 p.m. Yes guys, I woke up 5 p.m. uh, and I took these books, and I focus my study, and after 1 hour I have study. Yes guys, and after that I went to outside and I walked, and I came back my home, and I prepared this breakfast, and all family members I took this breakfast. Yes guys, and after that earlier uh, I finished my household work because I went to cafe. Yes, I went to cafe and I filled out my seated form. Yes guys, and after that I came back my home, and I prepared the lunch because my husband uh, go to the office, and I pack this tiffin. My husband went to the office, and after that I slept now 30 minutes, and after that I woke up. Yes guys, I woke up, and I talked to the co-learners only 30 minutes. Okay guys, and after that uh, I learned this direct and indirect speech. Yes guys, because the I will preparation in the government exam, and is the most of important is English grammar. Yes guys, and after that I watching this conversation video, and I recording myself. This is my daily routine because I am a housewife, I am a learner, I have lots of work in my house. Okay, my video is do you like to my do you like to watching this my video? My video is like, you know, my video is like you. Okay, you have subscribed my channel, and my English is so poor, and my English is right or wrong, your comment for me. Okay, thank you watching this my video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Bye bye.